Hi, it's Anthony here from Breathe. I'm going to take you through now one of my favourite bodyweight core exercises, which is the Jackknife sit-up. I'm going to show you two versions, the beginner version and then the version once you've kind of learnt the coordination, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Let me just show you a couple of repetitions so you understand the exercise I'm talking about. Okay, so that appears nice and simple, but it really is all about coordination. So what I want to go through is how to actually get yourself all the way up. I find with a lot of people they struggle to sit up, and there's normally one reason why. If I show you in real slow motion, what you'll notice I'm doing is that it's my upper body that is moving before my lower body for the knees to then come in. The mistake that people make is that they move their legs first, and then as they try to come, they can't sit all the way up. So just make sure upper body first, lower body second. You're also trying to make sure your lower back, you're trying to keep as flat a back as you can. Don't allow this big curvature to occur there, okay? Now, if you still really struggle with technique and you haven't got that coordination yet, the beginner version is simply a jackknife crunch where you keep the lower back on the floor, you're curling in, so imagine like knees to nose, and then extend all the way back out. So every single repetition is always about extending and getting that coordination of moving the arms and the legs at the same time. And that is how you do a jackknife crunch.